What's going on, guys? This is Gene Jensen, and that's right, it's the new Bonafide RS117, and we got it all wrapped up straight from the factory. And I'm gonna pull my little trusty I can get it out of my pocket knife out. We're gonna open it up and show it to you. They got a lot of tape on this thing. All right. All right, so this is how it comes from the factory. We've got the seat, and the seat is, from what I remember, probably going to be in different parts. Now you got to be careful not to cut the boat. All right, let's do it real quick. I'm going to kind of show you guys what I know about the boat, and I don't know a whole lot about. This is a first production boat that I've actually seen, so it looks a little bit different than the prototypes that I've been messing with. But I'm gonna fumble around with it. Get the seat strapped in. So the seat's supposed to be really, really comfortable after it's put together, and of course it's in pieces, and the neighbor's pulling up. And then just kind of show you a little bit of what's going on. What's this guy doing? Hold on a minute. This little cover is pretty cool. It's actually got a pocket for a paddle, so it's like a paddle keeper. You'll see me use them in my videos on all the other kayaks that I have. It comes with the handle off. You got to install the handle, or the dealer does. But it's got plenty of room for just odds and ends stuff. Stuff you can throw up there, a little bit of tackle and stuff like that. I'm not going to go into all those details because I don't know a whole lot about them. But this is a good hatch, and you're supposed to be able to put one of those 12-volt batteries to run your electronics, and you mount your electronics right up here. It's not a through hole. I mean, it doesn't have a hole going all the way through it like the 107, the 127 have. But it does have a scupper hole up front right here, and let me see if I can pop this loose. Hold on a second. It's got this scupper hole right here, and underneath it's got a big enough space to be able to mount your transducer in there, so you can still have a transducer outside of your hole. You don't have to do any of that through hole crap that you used to have to do years ago. Real easy to use. Go on down, you got traction pads right here. This seat is just awesome. It's really really comfortable. It's not as high of a seat as the 127 than the 107, but it's real simple to install, and I'm gonna finish putting it together right now while we're doing this. All right, so as you can see, it's a little bit different seat, and it's got two different positions. Right now it's in the high position. Really, really easy just to take it, move it back, and put it in this low position. Right here on the back, it's got a hook that literally all you do is just take it up here and clip it down, and that keeps your seat from coming forward and stuff like that. So literally it's really simple to do, and once it's on there pretty tight, so it's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna move forward just a little bit. You got Mighty Mount XLs here, and in the center for like a cup holder or anything else. Of course, you got the Made in USA sticker, which is, in my opinion, the most important thing on this boat. Plenty of storage up underneath. Let me move this back up to the high position because that's probably where I'd fish it. But plenty of storage up underneath. If you look, you got two scupper holes, so the two drain holes for that right there, and you got plenty of room for a couple of tackle boxes. As you can see, the handles, both front and back, come in a bag. Real easy, just a 1/4 screw. Screws in the front and the back. I do that so they don't get broken off in shipping, which makes sense because the shippers will throw these things around like crazy. Really do take care of their boats by how they ship them and how they wrap them. In the back, there's plenty of room in the back for let me get rid of the cardboard. Plenty of room in the back for a black pack or a crate or something like that. And they even have a little thing for a 5-gallon bucket. As you can see, a little 5-gallon bucket can fit in the middle, so if you got a bait tank or something like that. Access hatch. room or mounting positions for a rudder, which is pretty nice. Flush mounted rod holders, cup holders, gear holders, all kinds of other stuff. Put a paddle right there. It's just an all-around really good boat. You can't beat the price at $9.99. So go check them out at your local dealer. Right now I'm going to head on over to Westbrook Supply Company in Atlanta and see the new colors and the new kayaks that they just got. We'll see you.